Good evening, everybody, and once again, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to basically inform you guys that I'm basically starting a brand new playlist on my YouTube channel, and this playlist focuses on Apache Hudi table services. I have about 15 tutorials or 15 videos on Delta Streamer, and all of these videos are hands-on exercise, meaning every video has an associated link where you can go and practice these labs. Now, I want to basically cover the table services in a separate playlist, which would be, let's learn about clustering. Okay, how do you do clustering in an async mode, right? Okay, what about metadata indexing? How can you index the metadata in an asynchronous mode? What about compaction? What about cleaning? What about bootstrapping? What about Hudi export service, right? So let's explore all of these with one by one, right? And hopefully I'll try my best to make it a fun and an enjoyable process, right? So again, in this playlist, I'm expecting about 5 to 6 videos roughly, and each video covers a particular table service in Hudi in details. So yeah, I'm excited to see you in the upcoming video tutorial series.